Hey everyone, Christina here from Scratchpad. When Salesforce fields get skipped or go stale, the whole process breaks down. Maybe RevOps rolled out new methodology like MEDDIC, commanded the message, or spiced, and fields in older opportunities are still blank. Or maybe there are months of Gong calls packed with context, competitors, decision criteria, and close loss reasons, but none of it's reflected in Salesforce. That's where Scratchpad comes in. AI Backfill reviews your calls and emails, then automatically fills or suggests updates for missing or outdated fields. Your entire pipeline can be cleaned up in minutes. Now, sellers can focus on selling, RevOps finally gets standardized, accurate fields, and leaders have complete data they can trust in every pipeline review. That's AI Backfill and Scratchpad, the easiest and fastest way to keep Salesforce current and inspection ready.